Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year everyone. We made it to 2020 and today I got the car behind me and I am going to do more of an installation video today. So we're going to install the reverse light. When you back up the light on the bottom, we're going to install the Diode Dynamics reverse light that is in the LED, because the one that comes standard on the S550s is yellow. It's a halogen bulb. So I want to go ahead and upgrade that, since almost every other light in the car is pretty much LED already. This will just make one new addition and it'll be cool. And enough for the introduction. I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. Let's go. So basically, throughout this whole car, daytime running lights are LED. As you can see, the headlights are LED. The turn signals are LED. There's even turn signals on the mirror that are also LED, but it doesn't stop there. When you come to the back, of course the tail lights are LED, and license plate light is LED. But if that doesn't make it worse, even the trunk light is LED, if y'all can see. I wonder, what does it make sense that the reverse light, the one that you use to go backwards, is not LED? So that's the whole point of the install. So hopefully with this light, we will be able to 100% make the car full LED on the exterior anyway. So Sandra's here to help me. I want to show y'all what it looks like before. So I want to show y'all before and after. So she's here, she's gonna give us a cold start and she's gonna put it in reverse, and I'll record what it looks like before to give y'all a comparison. So, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna get to the install. And yeah, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and I'm gonna get under the car, and then she's gonna be recording me, so we have two different camera angles so y'all can try to see what's going on, okay? All right, y'all, so the first step is to just unplug the bulb from the back right here, this little back one. There's just a bulb, and I'm gonna show y'all. I have the GoPro under. You just unplug it and you plug the old bulb out and you just plug the new bulb in. It's all plug and play. So I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and we're gonna get started. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, I have y'all under here pointing at the bulb. It's this one. And basically all you want to do is you just want to push in and twist. That's it. It's as easy as that. There's really nothing to it. Oh, there we go. All right, let me get out. All right, y'all. Come in closer. So this is basically it right here. It's just a halogen bulb, and then you can just clip it real easy. Watch out if you've been reversing or if you've been on, because it could be hot. I do recommend gloves. I don't have gloves, but it'll be all right. We didn't use it for that much, so you just clip it and then you pull it. There it is. And as y'all can see, that's the old one. Nice little halogen bulb. They made every single light in this car LED, pretty much, around the outside, except for this. So now let's go unbox the new one. All right, guys, so I got it open. And the trick with these is to touch it as little as possible, because you have oil on your hands, and if you get oil on the light, then it's gonna distort how it shines. So here, sit down. And it should be basic plug and play. So you just take it and you just plug it in. There it is. I've got it plugged in. And now I'm gonna switch back to the GoPro and I'm gonna plug it back in. All right, y'all, welcome back. So we have the new LED installed. So now all you gotta do is just find the right spot, plug it in, it should go in, and then push in and turn. And then as you push in and turn, you should feel that rubber getting tighter and tighter. So that's it. It's back in. And that's it, let's go test it out. All right, y'all, so we just finished the install. I already showed y'all everything that I did under. It's a really easy install, it takes maybe 5 minutes max. But yeah, it's a super good addition. We're gonna go test it out and see if you can really tell a difference. Let's see, guys. Oh, I'm super excited about this. All right, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna let her see and get her reaction to it.
It fits in more.
Like, that's what I told him. I said the old one is a safety hazard because a lot of people expect the tail lights to be up here. Because if you, on most regular cars, when you back up, some kind of light shows up here to let you know you're going backwards. But on this one, it's at the bottom. So, you know, that can throw somebody off if they've never seen a car like this before. Yeah. So, you know, in the old one, it like barely showed up. So, you know, I feel like it's much safer to have this one at the bottom. But I think it's a good install, easy. It took 5 minutes. You know, there was really nothing to it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come back at nighttime and show you how it looks like on the screen on the backup camera. Cause that's another thing. It also helps on the backup camera because when you're backing up, now it shows more light. So we're gonna come back here when it's nighttime, and then we're gonna show y'all how it is. All right.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. So as you can see, hold on, let me show y'all. It's a little bit dark now. So it's getting there. It's a lot more dark in real life than it looks like on camera, but it will do. Luckily, it is still light in the garage, but we're gonna turn off all the lights to show y'all. And yeah, we're gonna start the car and we're gonna show y'all how it looks like on the outside compared to the old one. And then we're gonna show you how it looks like on the backup camera inside the car. So it's gonna be fun. Hopefully it'll look, you can see the difference. And yeah, and then also we're gonna do the new one first, and then we're gonna put the old one back so that we can compare, because we didn't do this the day before like we should have. So yeah, you ready? All right, let's do it. Yeah, with the handbrake pulled, there's no brake light, and that's how it is. It looks really nice and bright. Sandra decided to replace the light all by herself to the old one because she thought that it was pretty easy. So hopefully she did a good job. She said everything went in right, everything did like how it was supposed to. So now we're gonna show y'all the opposite. We're gonna turn off all the lights and we're gonna show y'all how it is with the old ones. If y'all look, this is how it looks on the screen with the old one. Put the old one back on, that's what it looks like. Now to me, this was fine, you know? It's like, whatever. But I definitely think the new one is way brighter, and if you start looking on like the edges, like the corners, you can see that it starts to get really dark right there. So, yeah. All right, guys, well that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, simple little install. It's a little mod, but it goes a long way. What do you think about it?
I like it.
You like it? It's good. All right, well, thank y'all so much for watching. We're gonna put the new one back. She said she wants to do it, so she's gonna put the new one back. But thank y'all so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and if y'all have any more ideas of different mods that we can do, tell us. Anything y'all want us to do, just let us know, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.